guys, welcome back. All right, so in regards to Facebook making Nigerians to be eligible to be monetized, now I have met several people asking me how can they start, what can they do. Some people are yet to even find the niche. Some people are yet to even understand how this thing works. Now, in a nutshell, you need to find a particular field or area which you will specialize and start creating content on. So in this video, I will list more than 20 or 30 areas that you will use, but I will drop the rest of them in the comment section of this video, or if you're watching from YouTube, I will drop it in the description box of this video. So do well to go through them. So this video will help you to understand the different types of niches or areas you can create content on. I believe everybody will be able to fall into any of these areas, right? So this video is going to be explicit and it's going to help you to understand how you can start your life as a content creator. So if you are struggling to find a content creation niche, so I'll be listing them as we go in this video. Do well to like, share, comment, and invite your friends to follow me on my page on Redefined and YouTube as well. So number one is traditional African cooking tutorials and recipe sharing. The number two is street food reviews, exploring and reviewing local street foods, right? Number three is African fashion. Now, showcasing traditional and modern fashion, right? Number four is natural hair care, tips and tutorials for maintaining natural African hair for the ladies and also for the men. Number five is local markets, exploring local markets and unique findings. Number six is cultural festivals, coverage and history of various cultural festivals, right? Number seven, African myths and legends, storytelling and analysis. Number eight, indigenous language, right? Lessons and preservation efforts. Number nine is wildlife conservation, documentaries and vlogs about wildlife. Number 10 is ecotourism, promoting sustainable travel destinations. Number 11 is local craftsmanship, highlighting artisans and their work. Number 12 is African literature, book reviews and author interviews. Number 13 is music and dance, tutorials and performances of traditional dances and music. Number 14 is history and heritage, exploring historical sites and their significance. Number 15 is urban development, insights into the growth of African cities. Number 16 is startup stories, success stories of African entrepreneurs, right? If you can meet that, go to fine. Number 17, agriculture tips, modern and traditional farming techniques. 18, local sports, coverage of lesser known sports and athletes. Number 19 is Nollywood Reviews, reviews and analysis of Nollywood films. Number 20 is street photography, capturing daily life and culture. Number 21 is mental health awareness, addressing mental health issues in the African context. Number 22 is fitness and wellness, that African inspired fitness routine, all those olden days story, right? 23, African proverbs, sharing and interpreting traditional African proverbs. 24 is folktales for children, animated or narrated African folktales. 25 is Diaspora Connections, stories and experiences of Africans in the diaspora. Number 26 is youth empowerment, initiatives and success stories. Number 27 is political analysis, in-depth analysis of local politics, Number 28 is local design challenges, trying and rating various local dishes. Number 29 is sustainable living, promoting eco-friendly lifestyle. 30 is local music, reviews, reviewing and promoting African music. 31 is travel vlogs, showcasing travel experiences within Africa. 32 is health tips, addressing health issues prevalent in Africa. 33 is tech innovations, highlighting African and tech startups and innovations. 34 is educational content, tutorials and lessons on various subjects like English and maths and so on and so forth. 35 is crafting with local materials, DIY projects using local resources. 36 volunteer experiences, documenting and volunteering for community service. 37 is beauty and skincare, focusing on products suitable for African skin. 38 is interior design, African-inspired home decor or decoration. 39 is relationship advice, culturally relevant relationship tips. Number 40 is nature exploration, documenting natural landscapes and biodiversity. 41 is urban legends, right? Exploring local myths and urban legends. 42 is traditional medicine, insights into indigenous healing practices. 43 is cultural etiquette, educating on various cultural norms. 44 is African folklore, narration and discussion of African tales. 45 is art and painting, showcasing African art and techniques. 46 is local theater, highlighting plays and performances. 47 DIY fashions, creating fashion pieces from local fabrics. 48 is language learning, teaching African languages. 49 is budget travel, tips on how to embark on affordable travel in Africa or globally. 50 is African cuisine, fusion combining traditional and modern recipes. 51 is pet care, tips on caring for pets, common in Africa. 52 is business advice, tips for running small businesses in Africa. 53 local legends and heroes, stories of notable figures. 54 is home gardening, tips for growing local plants and herbs. 55 is cultural integration, experiences of integrating into different cultures. 56 is parenting tips, advice tailored to African family structures. Now, the list on my list, the last I will say here is on real estate, right? Insights, tips, and trends in African real estate markets. So if you have followed to this point, you will notice that I have mentioned up to 57 of more than 50 possible niches we can venture into. So this is an insight to enable us to pick any of them. Like I said, I will drop the full list of all of these niches in the description box of this video on YouTube, and I will drop it on the comment section on Facebook as well. So do well to follow the tips or the niches I have listed. If you find this video interesting, please, you know what to do. Like, comment, share, drop a heart emoji, and let me know how impactful this video is for you. So by the time you're able to create any of this, focus on any of these niches and start creating content on them, you will see yourself grow as a content creator. I wish you all the very best. See you guys at the top. Bye-bye for now.